Going on YouTube. So I just got myself the PS3 Game of the Year. Whatever, the bundle, the new one, which is a super slum, I believe that's what they're calling it. So I work for Target, and so I'm like, well, I'll just use my discount and buy it. I sold my PS3 like maybe 3 years ago, so I want to get back into gaming. Not only that, the Blu-rays. So I bought myself Fight Club and 300 classic movies. So let's get into this unboxing. Give me 1 second. Alright, so here's another box. I guess this was just like the cover or something. Alright. Hold on, guys. Alright. Sorry about the lighting. I kind of don't have a lot of light in my house. Alright, so here's a... Damn it. Ah, crap. I'll rip it open, but... DualShock controller. Cables I will never use. Alright, let's see what we got here. Charging thing. Alrighty. Alright, let's see the good stuff now. Alright, so I guess you get like a Eve Dust 514. Includes full game plus exclusive PS3 bundle, $30 value. I never heard of it. Alright. Uncharted Game of the Year edition. So this is like, what, $39.99 right now? I've never played Uncharted, but I guess this will do until Black Ops 2 comes out. So I was thinking, my friend just got this not too long ago, and he hasn't opened Drake's Uncharted, whatever that game is. So I was thinking, you know what, should I just get the Slim, get the game from him, or just buy this? So you guys tell me what was a better value, the $249 or $269 with Dust, that 30-day free PlayStation Plus, whatever. Drake's Uncharted Fullerton, and that's about it. But anyways, and there it is. Let's do it again. Wow. Doesn't weigh a lot. So I guess there's tape right there, and this slides this way. But so far, I love it. It looks nice. I guess I'm glad I went with this one. So that's my 50-inch LG high-def TV, 1080p. That little box right there is my DirecTV thingy, bucks, iPhone 4S, more bucks. I'm a big reader. But yeah, hopefully the game will look good in this TV. If you guys want me to make another video of how it looks, let me know. But that's my unboxing of the new PlayStation bundle, and that's the Super Slim. Alright guys, thanks for watching.